Hey guys, it's Geek Out Everything, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get these Miui super wallpaper in any of your Android device. And let me show you how they look. So yeah, in static mode they are also pretty good, but that animation that it does, it actually pretty dope, and you can get this on your phone as well. So in this video I'm gonna show you the same, but before that let's just look at some more super wallpapers that we have. So as you can see, it's a forest one. So let me just show you. This also looks to be pretty dope. The animation is same on all of these, but all of these are different wallpapers. So as you can see, this is another one. It's a sea one. Yeah, we have this ocean stones, which is also pretty great. And there's the last one. It's a fourth one, which is Mars. Yep, as you can see. And this one is also pretty great. You can show it to someone and they'll like, oh, what is that? And it's just a thing that you can show off to your people. So yeah. And guys, before that, if you want to get this on your phone, you have to download few files and app in your phone. So I have the link in the description below. It's a wallpaper zip file. Just download it and extract it in your phone wherever you want. And then as you can see, it's a file. I have already extracted it, and these are 4 APKs that you have to install in your phone first. So one by one just install all of these, and after that just go to your Play Store and download the Wallpaper app. Not normal any wallpaper app, but a Google Wallpaper app. I also have a link in the description below, so you can go there and directly download from that. But you can also go to the Play Store and download it. As you can see, it's a wallpaper app. So official Google Wallpaper app, which will help you to set the wallpapers. So yeah, just install it and open it and just scroll down, and then you will find a live wallpaper window just like this. As you can see, just tap on it, and here you will see all of the live wallpaper that you have in your phone. As you can see, this is the forest one, and from here you can set it like this. As you can see, there's another one. You will see all of your live wallpapers here, so you can set whichever you want. So let's see. Yep, as you can see, and they actually looks pretty dope, guys. The quality of the wallpapers is also really good. And guys, if the wallpaper app is not working for you, then you can also download this Tivity Launcher, which is another app from which you can set your wallpapers in case the wallpaper app is not working. So you just download it. It's already available in the Play Store, and then just scroll down, and then you will find a live wallpaper application. As you can see, here it is. And scroll down and then open the live wallpaper, and as you can see, here we have all of our live wallpapers, and from here you can install it in your phone, which is actually pretty easy. Honestly, these wallpapers look really dope. The animation that it does is just nothing but sort of incredible, and if you want to have these on your phone, then just get them. It's pretty easy. And yeah, so guys, that's it for this video now. And if you just simply like this video, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.